Hello and welcome to the channel, my DIY friends. Today we're going to be talking about washing machines. In particular, we're going to be talking about how to replace a suspension pad or a wear pad on the Kenmore 500 series washing machine. So the particular machine that we're talking about here has vibration on the spin cycle when it's trying to wring out the wet clothes. It's banging against the tub is banging against the frame, and so let's get into the fix. But before we get into the fix, let me tell you that there is another video that's a very good video from partsselect.ca which shows how to perform this procedure. I'm going to show you a different way to do it. The method that the gentleman uses on that video is I guess the proper way to do it. Now, if you had the tool, he has whether it's what's called a tub spanner wrench. That's used to take off the tub nut, to take it off to do this job. But I'm going to show you a different way to do it without the need of special tools. This is the washing machine with the sheet metal body removed. There are a lot of videos that show you how to do this, so I'm going to skip over that part. First, you have to remove the 3 spring brackets that are around the periphery of the tub. All it takes is a 1/4 inch socket to remove. There is a 4th spring to remove, which has a long hook. It's mounted to the back of the tub. By removing the spring bracket, you're also removing the spring tension. And the spring tension and gravity is the only thing that is holding the tub down. So what we're fixing today, or replacing today, is a suspension wear pad. It sits inside, sandwiched between the tub and the bottom frame. This allows the tub to slide around when the washing machine is in motion. And as you can see how worn they really are. This is after 10 years of use. I've taken them off here so you can see. These, when they're new, are round, not flat. So after removing the springs, all you need to do is lift up on the tub and stick something in between the bottom of the tub and the bottom bracket to hold it up. It just takes 2 taps of a hammer and a chisel to get the old pad out. To put the new pad in, you can probably use your fingers to squeeze the pad into the 2 slots there. But it's a good idea to use some lubricant. There's some soap, always some soap lying around in the washing machine, right? So use that, soap and water, and just push it in. Here I'm using a pry bar to do it. I'm just making a big deal out of it, but probably could just press it in. Or you can use a small clamp and just press it. And of course, there are 3 pads, so you gotta do all of those. And besides that, there are actually 3 other suspension pads that you may want to change. I didn't do it on this video, but there's 3 pads that allow the drum to move in a different direction. Those may be worn too, but I doubt it in this case. Those can also be replaced in the same way. Here I am putting the machine back together. This is a relatively easy job with just a few gotchas. Pay attention to any clip you remove. Which way does it go back in? The washer body, when you put it back on, does not slide into place. The bottom front edge needs to be put into the bottom of the front of the frame, and it is used as a pivot point, and it goes and it pivot all the way to the back. And finally, before you put the body back on, make sure the lid connectors is visible. I made the mistake of dropping that lid connector underneath the body, and I clipped the things back on only to find out that the connector was missing, was inside the body. I had to do it. I had to take the body off and put it all over again.